morning, Dundalk Middle School. This is Demetrius.
And Riley.
Bringing you your morning announcements.
On WDMS News.
Today is Monday, April 25th, 2016 B-Day. Today in history.
Here's a look at this day in history. April 25th.
In 1507, cartographer Martin Balsammuller first used the term America on a world map, naming the landmass in honor of Italian navigator Amerigo Vespucci. On this day in 1990, the Hubble telescope was sent into space by the shuttle Discovery. Today in 2003, Georgia lawmakers voted to scrap the Dixie Cross from the state flag, ridding it of the symbol of the Confederacy. And on this day in 1983, a fifth grader became America's youngest ambassador. Samantha Smith had written Soviet Premier Yuri Andropov about her fears of war. He wrote back assuring peace and invited her to visit the Soviet Union. Samantha accepted and warmed U.S.-Soviet relations during the Cold War. And that's this day in history.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance and the DMS Pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. I am safe, I am respectful, and I am responsible at Dundalk Middle School and in my community.
Please be seated. Now here's Melina with today's weather.
It was 49 degrees this morning. We will be mostly cloudy today, and we should reach a high of 75 degrees. Here's the weather for the remainder of the week. Now for the sports report. The Washington Capitals won their first round in the Stanley Cup playoffs yesterday. Now they move on to the second round. They will play the Pittsburgh Penguins in the second round later this week. The Orioles lost 2 out of 3 games in their series against the Kansas City Royals. This will start a new series tonight against the Tampa Bay Rays. They are still 21 to 2.5 games ahead in their league. Now back to you, Dustin, who is actually Demetrius and Riley. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Melina. Now for the word of the day. The topic for this week's words of the day is the root word luke and lum, which means light. Today our word is luminous. With this watch, you can tell time in the dark because its hands and dial are luminous. Can you determine what luminous means? Once again, today's word of the day is luminous.
Students, remember that the Piglet on Books is going on until 3 o'clock today.
Miss Bullock has 14 extra yearbooks if you're interested in purchasing one. Please see her in... 8 extra yearbooks if you're interested in purchasing one. Please see her room 106 before they all run out because it's not 14 anymore.
Our park testing message for today is remember to restart the computer before beginning the test if you're testing in the morning.
Now here's a message from our recycling crew.
Hi everybody, this is Destiny to tell you that today is Recycling Day. The recycling crew will be around after the 7th grade lunch to collect your recycling cans. So teachers, please place your cans in the hallway. Students, don't forget to recycle your cans, bottles, and papers. Thank you and have a great day.
Recycling crew, Dave Smith.
Demetrius has an announcement.
No, I don't. Gavin's not here.
Oh,
Continue.
okay. Well, never mind then. Good morning, Dundalk Middle School. This is Riley with a few words of wisdom. When we're having a problem with someone in our lives and we don't know how to heal the problem, it can be a good idea to talk with the person we trust, like a parent, counselor, or spiritual leader. But think about this. What's the difference between sharing our private feelings in order to heal a bad situation and gossiping? Gossiping damages people and relationships when we say ugly things about someone behind his or her back or judge him or her or point a finger. Sometimes when we gossip, we think we make ourselves look better by making others look bad, but that's not true. Now listen what the Greeks have to say. When one is not good oneself, one likes to talk of what is wrong with others. So remember this. You and your time are much too precious for idle gossiping Instead of gossiping, spend your time focusing on what's good about you and those around you. With something to think about, this is Riley. Make it a great day or not, the choice is yours. Now here's Mr. Barish.
Morning, Team DMS. This is a reminder that tomorrow schools will be closed for the primary election. Again, tomorrow schools will be closed. We will reconvene on Wednesday. Students, please take the opportunity to continue to review your progress on BCPS 1. It's important for you to see how you are currently doing and what you need to do to become an honor roll student or continue your honor roll student status. Another reminder, this week begins our PARCC testing. Students, you've been preparing for this assessment, the high-stakes state-mandated test all year. I want you to go into the test calm and confident, and you will be successful. There will be problems there that you will know and do well, and there's going to be some problems in which they challenge you. But you know something? As long as you persevere and put forth 100% effort, you'll be successful on the PARCC assessment. Again, MAP and how you performed on MAP is just an indication of how you will do on the PARCC assessment, which does show college and career readiness. So we're excited for you to have the opportunity to take PARCC. And students, while we are PARCC testing, it's very important that in the hallways we are extra quiet and we're making sure we are giving the students an optimal testing environment. So we want to make sure our students can have the best opportunity to meet success. I want all of our students at DMS to have a great week, making positive and safe decisions. Remember, students, you are to be bringing your A game each and every day, great attitude, excellent attendance, and also applying yourself. And as part of Team DMS, we'll do whatever it takes to inspire you to become a globally competitive graduate. Have a wonderful Monday. Thank you. Now back to Demetrius and Riley.
This is Demetrius.
And Riley. Have a magical
Monday, and we'll see you on Wednesday.